Hey guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace. Join me today as we make Shabby Shrub roses. And don't forget to stick around to the end of the video to get the details on how to be entered in our big giveaway drawing for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Okay guys, we need a bunch of these little circles made out of these dyed coffee filters. These are dyed with just watercolors, inks, alcohol inks, whatever I had around. So what you want to do is you want to take your coffee filter and spread it out. Fold it in half again, and fold it in half again until it looks like an ice cream cone. Smooth that, kind of get the edges all together if you can. Take that shape, measure off about a thumb's length, and tear. That's going to give you your big base circle. You're going to take it off. There you go. Now, you're going to come up. You're going to start on this edge where all the pieces come together. And start tearing a circle. You want to follow your thumb shape because that'll give you a pretty good round shape, and just make that circle as big as you feel like. That one came out that big. Now we're going to make one more. Try to get it a little bigger, okay? And we just do that same process so we have no more paper left to tear, and then we are done. Okay, so there you go. See, we got 3 sizes off that one. Now let's do another one. Again, fold it in half. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. Tear your biggest circle out. We're going to tear some smaller circles this time. So I usually come up here to the top and just start tearing. Now follow my thumb very closely and just barely turn it, so that I get a very small circle. There you go. Some of them may still be attached a little bit. When you go to use them, just tear them apart. Okay, and these ones in the middle are the best. So you tear again, keeping it very small. And then we're going to do one bigger one. Okay, you can see I missed it there, so I just grab it again and tear. They do not have to be perfect, they just have to be kind of round. And that's it. That's how you tear them. Okay, so you take your little circles that you had cut out, and you're going to pick 5 in graduating sizes. So you can see they're slightly smaller as they go up. They stack like that. What you want to do is you want to kind of crunch them towards the center and kind of wrinkle them so that they get some kind of wrinkly, ruffly weirdness. That's really all it is, just wrinkly, ruffly weirdness. And kind of loosen them, but don't spread them all the way back out. Just kind of loosen them up. I've already done these once to make sure they fit and they look good together, because, you know, they're going to look like this. So then you take your next one and lay it on there, making sure it's, you know, where it fits and that everything looks good. Take that one, and you can see that I'm picking like slightly different colors for each layer. This will make the colors stand out and pop off so that they have a real bright prettiness to them. And if you don't like the way things look when you get it kind of mocked together, then you can change it. We need some art glitter glue. I have found that it does best on this project. I'm going to sit down so I can see what I'm doing a little better. Okay, now what we're going to do is take them all off. We're going to put a dot right in the center. I'm going to flip these upside down so that I can find them easier, or, you know, get the right size easier. Just lay it on there. It doesn't have to be centered, just kind of on there somewhere. I mean, you want to shoot for center, but, you know, if you get it off, it's okay. It's not going to matter. I'm going to flip these two because I like this one down lower because it contrasts nicely with that dark. Okay. You're going to see this one's got like a little long point, so I'm going to put that where there was a shorter point on the one below it. Put another dot. I'm going to take this one now and just wrinkle it up just a little bit more to make it smaller and give it a little more texture. And then I'm just going to work it down in there. And adjust as needed. You could have to like pluck one of the corners out or something. Then we're going to take the little teeny baby. It's all cute and things. Put a smaller dot. You don't need as big a dot. It's pretty wrinkled already, so we're just going to tuck it in there. Then we're going to switch to our Beacon 3-in-1. You can find the links for any of the products that I mentioned in the videos in the description box below of all my videos. So if you ever wonder, like, oh, where'd she get it? Check the description box. It's usually Amazon or one of the companies that I have featured, and put that in the center. And there you go, people. How easy peasy lemon squeezy was that? Simplest thing ever. Okay, so look at all these. Are these not beautiful fall flowers? I mean, look at these colors. And this is just from coffee filters. Coffee filters that I have went hog wild with the colors and the paints and the dyes and everything. But, I mean, how much simpler could it be? And how much cheaper than using up your coffee filters? Finally, I have a use for all of the coffee filters that I have saved. Well, one of many uses. I use those jokers for everything. But I'm going to wrap this up. So, before I go, I just want to remind y'all, Jesus loved you so much he died for you. And if you don't know that, or you would like to know about that, get a hold of me. You can find my links in the bio below, or the description box below. There's a link to my link tree that's got all of my social media, all of my shops where you can buy pre-made ephemera. There's a link to the Facebook group there where you can buy the pre-made ephemera and the journals at a significant discount from what they are on Etsy and other places. You'll also find a link to my Patreon where you can support me and help me bring you more great videos like this, showing you how to make wonderful, beautiful things for your journals and papercraft projects. So, that being said, you all have a wonderful day, and we will chat soon. Grace and peace. Bye-bye. Now for the subscriber giveaway details. I'm at 910 subscribers, and I want to hit 1,000 by the end of October. I can't do it without you guys. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Come on, peeps. Then share it on your social media. Share it everywhere. Like this video and comment on it. Tell me you did that. Then go watch one other video and like and comment on it, and you'll be entered to win this gorgeous journal, Riches of His Grace. It's one of my favorite that I've made, and I just absolutely cannot wait to share it with somebody. One lucky winner. So, do that. Get entered. Oh, if you happen to be outside the U.S., I can only ship the journal inside the U.S. So, if you happen to be outside the U.S., you'll win an alternate prize, okay? So, thank you guys so much. I cannot do this without you guys, and I'm so excited for you guys to be with me on this journey. Thank you again, and y'all have a great day, and grace and peace.